Okay, for today's lab, we'll have a quick introduction to Scilab. Scilab is an alternative to MATLAB. As you know from your syllabus, you can use MATLAB or Scilab or any other equivalent software. So, we'll learn how to use Scilab online. So, previously we have seen how to run codes in MATLAB app and we have seen some basics of coding, right? So, today we'll see how we are trying to run in Scilab cloud. So go to Google, search for cloud Scilab. You will be able to run the codes on Scilab cloud. So this is how you get the page. So here you can see there is a space for running the code, and at the bottom you can see there is a space for displaying the result. So here you can see the menu options on the top right. You can search book and there is some cloud options and about, invitation, contact and something is there. One advantage of using Scilab is that there is the first option, search book. You can see the different books that are actually available as Scilab codes. So here you can see the digital signal processing by Prakash and Monolakis. So I am just clicking on that. You can see each chapter wise code is available. So when you have time, you can check each chapter in your book. So these are the multiple options of categories, and inside the book the different chapters are here. So I'm just going to see just one example. I'm just going to run one example here. I'm going to select the sampling and I'm going to select the example as aliasing. So you can see the code is displayed here. So likewise for different books, each code is available in Scilab which you can run and learn. So I'm just going to click execute here. So this is an example from the book. I'm clicking execute. So you can see it has displayed the result, that is the minimum sampling frequency to avoid aliasing is 200. So the question was to find the minimum sampling rate. So it has displayed the answer. So we can see some other example also. So instead of sampling, we'll just go to DSP. So here we'll see some discrete time signals and systems. We're going to select one example. Let's see the exponential signal. So you can see the code is displayed here. So I'm just clicking execute. One more time I'll run it. Okay, so you have seen the discrete exponential signal here. So you can download the picture. So it will be directly saved to your downloads. So this is how different examples are available in Scilab. So when you are having time, you can run and see. So now back to our lab experiments. So I'm just going to reset here. So this reset button will clear the workspace. So I'm clicking reset. It's asking for confirmation. I'm giving OK. So you can see now the workspace is cleared. So the result is also cleared. So I'm just pasting the code from our lab experiment manual. So this is our first experiment. You remember, right, the unit sample sequence. So I am just executing it. So the image is not displayed correctly. I'll run it again. Yes, so the unit sample sequence, which is our first experiment, is displayed here. So you can download it. So this is a quick introduction to Scilab. Scilab is also open source software, so you can download and install it in your laptop and run the codes in that. In Scilab, there are few differences in the syntax when compared to MATLAB. So you have to be very careful when you run the codes in Scilab, because the MATLAB commands and the Scilab commands are quite different. So you just go through the documentation and you can run the codes. So that is about the quick introduction to Scilab.